Maxing, relaxing, all cool and all, chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all. Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
What's up guys, it's Bella Gamade, welcome back. Those of you who watch my videos, you know that I've done multiple East African hairstyles where we braid the front half of our hair and we leave the back out and down, and it's big and afro textured. So I got a request to do a video on how to add hair extensions in the back. And today was the perfect day to shoot the video because I was taking some braids out, so I knew that my hair would blend well with the hair extensions on this particular day. I also think this tutorial will be great for those of you who are still transitioning your hair or who recently big chopped and just want to fake it till you make it while you're growing your hair out. And for those of you who don't know, this is my natural hair. I have not added the hair extensions in just yet. I'm about to, but this is my real hair length and texture, and I'm just showing you some proof here. But I decided to do this video for those of you who are still growing your hair out and want to achieve some of the looks that I've done on my videos, but haven't grown your hair out yet. So this way you can just add extensions and still achieve the looks that I've been doing tutorials on in my videos. And this video is a demo on a small sample of hair at the back, just to show you how it's done and to give you guys the gist of how to crochet hair and how to make it blend with your natural hair. Alright, I'm gonna stop yapping now and let you guys enjoy the music and watch the tutorial. And that's all, folks. I hope you liked it. I hope you try it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!